Guys, so here's the car that we're going to be working on today. It is the McLaren 570S. Beautiful car. We got a nasty dent over here on the side. As you can see, it's over on the quarter panel. Now all this section here is double metal. It's something that we're going to probably have to glue pull from the outside. When it's a vehicle like this, you want to be very careful taking things apart, and if you don't have to, it's better just not to do it at all. So we're going to see if we can do this without having to take anything apart. It's going to take a little bit more time, but it's okay when you're fixing a beautiful car like this. You want to be able to take your time. You want to make sure that it comes out perfect, and you want to make sure that you mess with the vehicle as little as possible. You don't want to go taking things apart that might have sensors in them, and you know, this thing's got a ton of equipment inside of it that we just don't want to mess with. So we're going to do this and start right now. So as I was prepping and cleaning the affected area that I was going to be working on, I noticed that there was a small access hole. So I got really lucky with that. I ended up putting a good amount of protective tape around that area and using a bunch of different tools to get through there. It didn't give me the best access, but with that and the glue pulling method, I was able to come out with an amazing result. The customer was extremely happy, and you have to remember that these kind of repairs are done as an alternative to the body shop. When you bring an exotic vehicle like this to the body shop, it's going to cost you an arm and a leg. They'll have it for weeks and months, and you'll lose value on your vehicle. So when you find an alternative that can save you money, time, and retain the value of your vehicle, it's really a no-brainer. So if you live in the Central Florida area and have a dent on your vehicle that you want fixed, make sure to give us a call or send us a text with a photo of the dent so we can give you a free, no obligation estimate and get you one step closer to getting that damage repaired. My name is Angelo Rivera, and thank you for watching.